Some more interior stuff on the 51 Ford. So these are the original sun visors that came with it. This was another part of the deluxe 5-star cab option, believe it or not. I guess you just didn't get any sun visors if you had the base model. As you can see, they're pretty old. This one is actually this is the passenger side one. I don't know what this material is. It almost feels like cardboard. Like it's got like a cardboard outside with kind of a slightly harder insert inside. This is the driver's side. You can see it's even in much rougher shape. But the rods seem to be okay. So I ordered just reproductions of the actual pad there, just in a nice black. I can't tell what colors these were. This one looks like it was black at one time, and this one looks more grayish, or maybe it's just lost its color. But so I want to see about trying to figure out how to get these rods out of here, which, if you can see in this one, it's actually inside. There's like it looks like this had the softer outside that had this just, pushed through right here. Almost looks like staples. So maybe what's actually happening here is this is the interior part here on this part that, and the soft part is just completely rotted away. I don't know. So it'll be interesting. How do I get that rod to go, obviously here it goes into this hole with a kind of a stop right there to hold it in place. I guess if I absolutely have to, I can order a reproduction of the rods as well. They're not that expensive. You can see how old this is. It's just pieces that are just cracking away. Okay, I was able to get the old rods connected with the new sun visors. I was trying to figure out how this would work, since you've got this metal piece in here. It was like the backing inside of the old crumbling sun visor. And I was thinking you had to like take off these heavy-duty staples, which that was going to be a pain, but which really wouldn't help you, because then this piece would have remained. So what I finally figured out was that if you just lubricate this up again, these rods will just pull right out of there. I mean, not easily. It's like you have to make lots of rotations to get them out, and then in reverse. On these new ones, you can't really see it, but on the interior here, there is a hollow metal tube to reinforce that. So you just stick that into there and again, slowly work it back on. And there is the finished product. That's the driver's side, and I'll get working on the passenger side next. Blam! Sun visors. How about that? Once I figured this out, it kind of all went together. So they come down okay, a little stiff, not bad. They do not rotate out this much very much. This one hardly at all. I blammed it with PB Blaster to loosen them up. This one here is a bit better. So you can see it rotates fairly easy in and out. The other one, not really so much. Interesting. So that actually would only come down a certain way and then interfere with the mirror. Are these longer than the original, or is that just a engineering problem? Who knows? So this one here really doesn't rotate. I'm hesitant to even try to rotate this because I had such a hard time getting it to move. That one I may need to get the new arm for it, but cool. And I realize actual mechanics watch this video and say, yeah, duh. But to someone like me, a nice little victory. Okay, and there's the final of the sun visor. I did go ahead and get a new arm. It was on sale for $12. I opted for the stainless steel one instead of the shiny chrome one, so that it would better match with the original one. Actually, I don't think unless you were looking, you could really even tell those apart. And this now moves very nicely, very easily rotates in and out. So that'll be nice, especially on the driver's side, to get some sun out of my eyes. Thanks. All right, and here's something we definitely needed in the truck. Seatbelts. Yeah, seatbelts were not even an option in 1951. I think they became an option in 54 or 56. But anyway, I ordered some up. They're pretty standard lap belts. Got a red color, kind of matched the interior motif of the truck. But very happy because that means the missus and the boys can actually go for a ride in the truck now, because Mom forbade them to do so until we had at least a modicum of safety here in the truck. Pretty cool. So they're mounted back here in the back. Pretty simple bolt job, which I didn't want to attempt myself. One other thing. Got ourselves the key mechanism is back in on the passenger side. I don't know if it actually works, but that really isn't all that big of a deal. Locking this truck is not necessarily a priority. Just mainly wanted to have it in there for the looks, and I already had it, so might as well do it. Making progress.
Matches the truck.
Yeah, so I got red seatbelts to match. Pretty cool, huh?
And then you have these pockets right. Oh. I realized
You got the first ride in the truck.